Recha Punupu Kurumjari September Gitang Amadagi Chathara Riba Anova Lalong weaponized drone season arga bomb thada bam surface to surface missile season aduna tawrakli ba lalong mamangi chahi haurak padasu megi home minister Amit Shah na laku matamda maikai tarani thoi taram dagi coordinated attack tawrakhiba aduga chap manabagi mong handak tawrakli ba attack sa masi aikoina line lokhom thokti Hapta amani de loisan ba yaram ba Iran amabu ngasi bhaw chatha lei ba se Manipur bu thugai ge identity politics ta exclusivist oi ba furuk ki oi ba khur ba mi yeng de yeng ga Manipur ge thugai ra ke hai ba adugum ba rajniti adugum ba politics to madu ga khusam na ra chatpa ama yawi hai ba se koina khang na bo wani lefan ge hai de lefal lam do ba Iran Kapthar Eva Jagasi Kana Karamba forces in Han station Toroga lay Haiba. Lane 60,000. The Singapore in the Changravan mi Layna. Lefal Latraba Amasung Hanjan Tanka Kaya the Toroga La Iba Masigi Lanja Masigi Aroiba Yamna Maruiba Tanka Ama Madugi Wamang Yalko violence ni Sigi Toiba no make up a Sikatanga Hoi Labum Tokte. Kari mathang di move tawra kani haiba se mangzau na khoina khalo gadaba ma changi handak tawra ibe se kapthar ibe se mase aina sum khanjabada tumina leramba government of India gi kariumba step ama loba yana na bagi silakpa madugi lalong ama oigadra haiba si aina khanjai maini khanjari ba maramdi state amagi lenga ama lei budubu mapangan sondaraga lokthokraba matungda use and throw season raga langthokpa yabugum nathai na thamaga furup ani bu tap tai na khatna halaga amuk madugi da break amata kaw na tap tai na khalaga punjan ba yararoi haiba adugumba wakhalon ama ba tahalaga madu da yumfam oi ba separate administration akoi this device yam deep oi gre ana punba yaroi haiba madugi ploy tanana ba hana silakpa plot amada Taurakpa Rajniti gi anoba khongthang ama changakpa yabagi achoba saro ama lei haba se miyam na masi koi alert oiba ma changi chahi ama helaba thatara tu horaba matam sida isagi leingak leina ngakchaba ngamaktraba Delhi na control tawraga laaba 60,000 lising umpuina leba 65,000 gi hare ngasi bhawa lepa leitana uchit thawaidana normal caption nan tawra leba pose normalize oire normal oire haira ga chahi tha tara taruk chahi am hen chingai bal anje musigi lan chigi leirakri ba asiana thoktana ngasi bhawa da tawra iba masigi khongjang se masi government of India must take full responsibility aduga makhoi na thousand giba troop 60,000 singi full accountability se mase lakri bhawa ko miam changna masigi pressure ma to changi ire cha punamak akiba adagi no to yaw da bida Manipur thugai gi haina holak liba politics to gi violence ni adugi hinsa ni haiba se sab jugna koi haimina bam changi aduga government of India se mana responsible logadabani Mana Sagatpa puppet cannot tangle laga. Akoigi satrap haitare, Moin Sinabaya, Mikra Manipu, the Tohalaga, Sanabilila, Miam, Mikop told Abani Jikti, Adunanui responsibility low government of India, knowing the Tolise, Kudapta crackdown Toga, Manipur to Gaiva politics, Mayokta, I quite communally or political project demand, Amata Piroi Haina. Saying that Sumnagi rhetoric the territorial getting Akinadonate, clear cut oina Hagadabani, communal politics, a Yumpam Moiba, demand of the Piva Yaroi, Hyper White Hagadamni, rhetoric the territorial getting Akinis, the Nangan Lava, Martani, Quikang article, see the Tugai, I say, Madu Tugaibasu, Yaroi, Hyper say, Aquina, Sanjan and Abamadugi, historical, political, moral, legal responsibility, like I say, Hanjan Akoi Mukoi the Hairaga. Mayam Changana Akiva, Yoga with the Haibama, Machangani, Natragadi. Akoibu asukina leraba iramdam chahi lising hena leraba iramdam sida furup masen da divide and rule torga torpadugi policy season naraga kariumba political agenda ama serve tawnuba torakpatho akoi loina khangi government of India must hold responsibility for the death and the destruction in the state of Manipur, because you have 60,000 soldiers stationed in Manipur for 16 months. You may have your puppet regimes in the state of Manipur, but it is your command. Everybody knows that it is the command of the government of India which is at the helm of affairs. Aduna masigi responsibilities. I appeal to the government of India, treat Manipur as part of India as it is, and show the respect that and the dignity that the people deserves in the state of Manipur, and immediately crack down and say that there is no politics based on communal agendas will be entertained by the government of India. Clear cut haibiraga mase makoi na thingjan mama changi masi akoi miam pulak ona haiminasi haibasi ai haizaraga miam da mitna singna lebiu haibase ai appeal tawjage thagat chari.